Hey you guys, welcome to Meg's house, and today's video is bringing all of the ooh la la, okay, with the box of crayons presented by the Crayon Case, and I'm super excited about this. So check out this look I created, yeah. But seriously, this is going to be first impressions, unboxing, and review. So let's jump right on in. Okay, so this is my package. I have to type with this thing for it to open. Okay, wait, let me open this and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have it open now. Ooh, we got a cute sticker. I'm all about the cute details, baby. Let's see. Choose my fingernail because that's the benefit. Oh, I like that. Look how cute. Thank you. It's finally okay to color outside the lines. Look how cute. That's such a cute saying. And I like this. It's good quality paper. Look, I'm all about the details. Alright, let me get my info. Oh no, that's the info out of here. Okay. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Let's see. I'm sure there may have been a cuter way for me to open this, but look, I'm tired and I'm really opening this because I dropped it. Because I'm excited about it. It's a box of crayons. It's cool to see, like, to me, a company go, because I feel like when I ordered the highlight and the lipstick, like, this packaging, the packaging is different. Like, I feel like it's improved. And that's a compliment. Like, it's nice to see, like, people, like, continue to grow and work. Alright, let's see. And then it's in nice bubble wrap. It's, like, super professional. You know, make sure your stuff don't break. Alright. So this is what it looks like on the outside. I literally have, like, my legs on the bed. But anyway, that's it on the outside. Alright. You know how you see something online and you're like, okay, is it going to be the same in real life? Wait. Oh, wait. I have it upside down. My bad. So that's what it looks like. Oh, that's a big mirror, too. Hey, girl. Hey. Anyway. Let's say hello to the color. And I'm all about the regular names. It's so funny because my friends always be like, they try to be like, oh, that's lavender or magenta. I'm like, pink, purple, like blue. Can we stick to the basic colors? Because I don't know all these different things you're talking about. But anyway, I'm so excited. Alright, you guys. Hey. So I am so excited about this is the box of crayons by the Crayon Case, and I am just ready to get into it. So let's go. You guys, I am telling you, the pigment in these colors is like on point, okay? Like, you ever get a palette and it's like, oh, that looks so nice, and then you try and wipe it on your skin or put it on your eyelid and it's like, what happened to the color? This gives you all the color and some, okay? Alright, so the canvas is set to begin to play. ever had a red to actually show up on my eyes. Like, this is the first time ever in my life. Like, ever. Like, I'm just in total awe. Like, this is crazy. And then if you look down here, I don't have any powder. There's like, I don't even know if I have fallout. Go ahead, girl. This is not a sponsor video, so if you want some colors that actually like show up and you interested in color, this is it. Magenta. And these colors got me singing like I'm on Disney or something. Magenta. Dum, 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 dum. Thank you guys for watching. Please definitely subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this, plus so much more. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up down below. And also I have details and information in the description box. So until the next time, girl.